Hey everyone, it's me Daniela, or you can call me Nalcasa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be drawing my favorite YouTubers' profile photos, and I hope you enjoy this video. Quick disclaimer, I don't like any YouTuber in this video more than the other. I like them all equally, and I'm a huge fan of the 3 YouTubers I'm going to be covering in this video. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So the first YouTuber I'm going to be covering in this video is Colleen, and a lot of you probably know her already. She has a really nice YouTube channel. It's based on art and digital art, all that stuff. So if you're into it, go check her out if you don't know her already. I really love her channel a lot because she has a lot of chill, funny videos, and I find that they are a great way to relax after having a long day. So for this fan art, I kind of made her be chewing gum because I felt like she is this kind of chill YouTuber. She doesn't really care much of what people say. She just does her thing, and we all love what she does. So I wanted to make her look as carefree as possible than the other 2 YouTubers, and I think I really did a great job with that. I like how cute it kind of turned out. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorite illustrations I made in this YouTube video. Also, her profile photo is kind of like the easiest and most simplified one that I'm going to be drawing into this video, and while that was kind of good because it would be easier to translate it to match my art style and still keep it look relatively like hers, but it kind of made me have to think about a lot of things, like how I wanted her hair to be and the color I was going to make her shorts and all that. But anyway, I like how the whole thing came out. Also, the colors in my illustration look a little bit different because I have a way of making my colors look like my art style, so I kind of made it look completely like my art style, but then you can still see is Colleen that I was trying to draw. I like the way it turned out. And the next YouTuber is Lavender Town. So a couple of you probably know her already. She has a really amazing YouTube channel, and what got me into her channel was her Do This Not That series kind of thing. And even if I kind of watched it a few years after she had posted it, it was really helpful to me because most of the things I know from digital art, I kind of learned it from her channel. So yeah, I really love her channel a lot. And something I thought that I'll mention is the fact that I kind of made a drawing in my notebook and I traced it in IBS PNX because the pose I had her doing, I wanted to like really make it look fluid on a sketchbook before I get it to digital art. But trust me, I was tracing my own sketch. So back to talking about Lavender Town, she has a really cute and amazing channel. She has around 10 to 12 minutes long videos, and I find that that's a really perfect timing because while I watch her videos, I like to make little doodles in my notebook or sketchbook, as well as just listen to her talk because her videos are quite engaging. Trust me, you're going to love them. So her art style is relatively cute, and I like the way she draws eyes because they turn out looking really cute, and I tried to do that with my own illustration by making the eyes in my art style a little bit bigger to match hers. And something I also did for this illustration was give her dark circles under her eyes because I feel she works really hard. I mean, she has a comic and she's also a YouTube artist, so I think she works really hard. That's something, a little touch I wanted to add. Also because she does that a lot when she draws in her art style, and I thought it would be a really good touch. Also, I like the way I shaded the hair. I think the whole thing turned out really cute, and this is probably my fave. And the next artist is Drawing with Waffles. So this is another amazing channel that I really love. Most of her videos and her tutorials were what I kind of used to get myself into digital art, and I find that her videos are quite lovely and engaging. If you like Lavender Town, you're definitely going to like Drawing with Waffles because her videos are quite conversational. It feels like you're talking to a friend or you're listening to a friend talk, other than just a YouTuber talking into an open silence. but her videos, you can really relate to them, you can kind of engage with them, and she has lots and lots of videos. Usually back in the days, she used to make digital art. I scrolled down her channel a little bit and kind of found her digital art videos, but lately she focuses more on the traditional art style, and she also makes some experimentation videos like the one she painted different types of mushrooms. So yeah, her videos are quite fun and engaging. You're definitely going to love them. But unlike the other two channels I mentioned earlier, she makes shorter, longer videos, around 20 to 25 minutes long videos. And even if they're so long, I find myself watching to the end because they're quite entertaining. So what I recommend is that while you watch her videos, just find something doing, whether you're snacking or doodling. I find it's best to kind of doodle with her because then you can really enjoy the process. So yeah, I really love this channel a lot. Also, I traced a sketch from my sketchbook for this illustration, but anyways, I like the way the whole illustration turned out. I feel it came out looking really cute, and I love what I did with all the YouTubers' profile photos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a part 2 where I draw other YouTubers on profile photos. Do have a blessed day, and bye bye.